Hello everyone. Today I'll give a quick update on my account, talk a little bit about the ETFs, and then my trading strategy for the S&P inclusion of Tesla. So my balance hit an all-time high, 489% gain for the year. I looked on the ETF websites and then downloaded their daily transactions and trades. We can see the allocation that they have for Tesla has increased to a weighting of 0.5%, and I would expect to see that at least be 1.5% for their inclusion. So they still need to sell some stocks off in order to get that. And just for reference, I did also look at the AIV and see what their allocation is on that, or the remaining shares that they have left. And so I expect all of this trading activity on the ETF side to be happening at the close of business on Friday, today. It should be very interesting. I did close out my option positions that I had open for Tesla at 900 and 950. Don't think it will hit that, but it would not surprise me if it did. I kind of expected to end the trading day today around 700 to 750. Could very well go over 900. It wouldn't be surprising. And to take that risk off the table, I went ahead and just closed out those option positions with a gain. Okay, and this letter that they had within there, I couldn't find any holdings or any cash information as far as how much they have cash set aside for the purchase tomorrow, rebalancing. But they did have a little note, and from a holding position on the AIV, how many shares they had there as well. And then lastly, on the Vanguard, it says it was last updated at 11:30, and it's been saying that the last few days. I did look and see what they had on the AIV side, and it looks like they just have almost nothing left. Just 1,000 shares. That makes me question whether this date is accurate or not, because that announcement happened well after 11:30. So it could be they're just not updating the date on their website yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to my current positions. So as I mentioned, I did close out those Tesla options. I did increase my positions, my put activity on NVTA, and it did actually drop quite a bit yesterday in the trading day. So it looks like those stocks will be assigned. And that is one thing I do like about writing the sell puts. I wrote those sell puts at around $51 a share, I believe. And so it dropped not only $2, but an additional $3 beyond that. And now it has it showing as a running loss. But I can turn around and write the call option on it for the next month and gain all of that back. So even if it stays flat, I will be at a break-even point at that. Again, lastly, I can just show the trades too as well. So here you can see I made $3,200 for the month of December. These are the two options that I wrote that I closed out. One at 900, one at 950. In the event that after market hours on Friday it does exceed this, I don't want to lose the Tesla stock. So I went ahead and just closed out those positions. And I did get a gain on closing those out. I actually opened them on the Tuesday and then I closed it on the Tuesday. Lastly, on the NVTA, I did write 2 more option contracts, one yesterday and the day before. Collected the premium on those. This one will likely expire worthless for the 45, and the 50 will likely be assigned. So that's all I have for the update today. Thank you.